our coconut bread, we'll be making use of a bowl of flour, a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, 250 grams of butter, 3 large eggs, warm water, and milk as desired. Also, you can add nutmeg to garnish. Our bread, we pour our yeast into the water. We add our egg, we add our milk, we add the sugar and mix all together. And we pour inside the flour and knead. After kneading the flour, we'll put on the table to knead for it to grow. Your dough for it to brew for 1 hour. After which we open up our dough and check. Then we release the air in the dough. After releasing the air, we put back on the table to knead once again. Kneading this, we'll cover it up for another 1 hour. Now our dough is proven. We'll open up again, we'll release the air in it, and also return back to the table to knead once again. We knead appropriately, we'll fold in our dough, and after this, we cut into an appropriate size for our pan. We would have greased our pan with butter for the dough not to get stick to the pan also. Then we'll cover up in the baking pan for another 1 hour. Now our dough is risen and proven. Then we can take to the oven for baking. Click on our notification button to watch more of our video on bakes and fry. Ciao, ciao!